Hello everyone. In this video I'll be showing how I make my own homemade air dry clay. First thing is to clean your desk and your hands completely, and all things must be clean and dry. Here I'll be using a microwave safe bowl and a spoon. I'm making this clay on microwave. Then a measuring bowl and the corn flour and vinegar. Each thing should be measured properly to get the perfect clay. Now take the bowl and the spoon to mix the mixture. First I am mixing all liquids together. Pour 1 cup of Fevicol or any other brand PVA glue and 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of paint. Here I am using white acrylic color. You may use any color of your choice. Without paint, this clay turns mild yellow after drying. And now I am adding 2 spoons of coconut oil. Mix the mixture very well. Now I am adding corn flour little by little into batches. Fevicol and corn flour mixture should be measured in same cup. After mixing all the ingredients together, the consistency must be like this. Now our mixture is ready to be heated. I am using microwave. You may heat it in pan in gas stove. I am heating it in medium flame for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, take the bowl, mix the mixture from all sides. Again keep the bowl in microwave for second sitting. Clay will become hard from sides first. Keep mixing. After every sitting, the clay turns hard. After third setting, you should check the clay for every 10 seconds. This is my final sitting. Once your clay reaches this consistency, your clay is ready for kneading. Use some corn flour for kneading the clay. As your clay is quite sticky in this stage, corn flour will help you to knead it properly. Knead the clay at least for 5 minutes until the clay stops sticking to your hands and surface. The clay in this stage will be super soft and fluffy that you will love to play with it. Once your clay is kneaded completely, it should be ready to give teardrop test. Once it passes teardrop test, congrats, you are ready for sculpting. Here I am applying some oil to keep the clay moisturized. You may even use your moisturizer. You may give any shape to your clay. Now wrap the clay in a plastic wrap and store it in an airtight box. Now I'll be showing how I mix colors to my clay. I'll be using acrylic color and soft pastel. You may use any method of your choice. First I will be using acrylic color. You may also use food colors to color the clay. Apply some oil or moisturizer to your hands so that the color will stick less to your hands. It's my method to store it in an airtight container so that it will be easier to identify the color for me while sculpting. You may even use plastic wrap to store your colored clay. It's completely according to your choice. If you wish to buy the clay, you may DM me on Instagram. I will be providing my Instagram ID in the end of the video. Hope you all enjoy the process of making clay. If you face any issue, you may drop a comment in the comment box.